Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Profile button next to the Budget option at the bottom of the page, and you go to the Settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. In the General section, you can find the third option, the Language, and here you can find different language, and if you want to select another language, just click to the next circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.